Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to check out some more must-watch hair transformations. So the first one starts off with a major switch up. She did end up completely shaving off her hair. And you guys know how I already feel about that movement. I absolutely love women just shaving it all off and doing something different with their hair. So then we move into the next hair switch up, and it looks like she's getting a pixie cut with this transformation. She did start off with long wavy hair, and the stylist cut it into this pixie shape. So she is getting longer bangs with this one, and I love when I see pixies with longer bangs because it just beautifully frames the face. And then we move into another transformation, and this one is quite unique. It's kind of like a modern bob mullet that she ends up getting here. Bob in the front and then the longer hair in the back. Never seen that haircut before. Quite interesting. And then we move into a pixie hair change. So she does self-cut the hair, and then the stylist trims her up and shapes the hair into this gorgeous pixie. She's able to achieve a lot of volume with this look due to the rollers that are added with the hair dryer. You guys will see in just a minute, but this is a beautiful volumized pixie cut. Gorgeous, so much height due to the rollers. So then we see another dramatic transformation. She does start off with kind of like mid-length hair, almost waistland. So it looks like she ended up getting a lob with that hair change. So it looked like for the previous transformation, the stylist was cutting the hair into like a U shape. We didn't get to see the final result, but I'm pretty sure that that is what he was doing. And then for the next one, she's getting some sort of lob. And then it looks like she is shaving her hair off. And then hopefully we are going to get to slow it down with this next transformation. The previous reels have been so fast. But it looks like she's getting a cut and a color. So she ended up getting a beautiful bob with the ash blonde hair color. And it looks like we're gonna move into another bob haircut. Ooh, love the color that was added to this as well. So refreshing. The bob and everything just looks lovely on her round face shape. If you guys haven't done so already, please be sure to like this video and of course subscribe. So we move into the next transformation. It looks like she is getting a lob haircut. Looks like she's getting some very blunt ends done with the razor. The clippers rather, and then the stylist is just kind of shaping the hair up. And then some beautiful waves were added. She does have kind of like a very soft sombre with this hair color as well. And I think it looks amazing with the blunt haircut. So then we move into another bob haircut. So this one is being done with a razor. So the stylist then switches things over to the shears, cuts the hair on an angle. And then the stylist does proceed to add some color. Ooh, a very nice face framing bob that comes to about jaw length. Beautiful cut. Love the amount of volume and texture that was achieved with this variation. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, so if you have been loving these hair transformations, don't forget to like this video. Of course, you want to hit that subscribe button for more, and I will see you in the next one.